Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to find Facebook user location. So first of all, launch Facebook app on your mobile device. So in order to see someone's location, you have to open their profile first. So I'm going to go to search and search for someone's profile. For instance, I'm going to search for this person's profile, and then if you tap on this person's about info, and scroll down below, you can see their hometown and their current city where they are from. So in case if they haven't added these information and detail on their profile, you can scroll down below and go to their check-ins. There might be some nearby restaurants or cafes where they have been to and added that location to their Facebook account as their post. Now, if those information are not given, you can scroll up above and then see about that person's educational background. You can check the institute where they graduated from, like this, and then you can search up the institute on Google, and then you will know where that institute is located, and accordingly you will know where that person is from. If this step does not work, you have to go back to their main profile, and then you have to message them personally and ask them for their location if you wish to. So this is the only way through which you can know a Facebook user's location. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.